Welcome back to the KOAM News at noon. So thunderstorm chances this afternoon. That is something I know a lot of us are looking forward to because we need a lot of rain. Our drought situation not improving, and thankfully it's not getting significantly worse, but it's not getting any better. And this stalemate has got to end. We need rain to eliminate this drought situation, or at least really start to knock it down. So we take a look at Skywatch storm trackers. So here's what I was talking about. We're getting a few clouds around the Joplin area, now trailing back towards Pittsburgh. All kind of off of this batch of showers and thunderstorms has just been kind of locked in just to our east out there throughout the day. And that's why when we take a look at temperatures, you'll see like Stockton, for example, is a little bit cooler than the rest of us because they've been either under the cloud cover or been getting some rain. Now we do have this thunderstorm that's developed southeast of Monette. You can see just to the southwest of Crane. Even though it's not very big, look at the number of lightning strikes with this thing. It's a nice little thunderstorm, and we've got more on the way. We're going to see more development take place out to our north. So here we've got a few showers by Topeka. We head out by Harrisonville, Higginsville. We get all of this activity and even a few showers out here by Butler, and that will eventually turn into this here. More thunderstorm chances as we head into the afternoon. So we go 3, 4, 5, 6 o'clock. They're scattered, yes, don't get me wrong, but they're not pop-up storms. They're not isolated to one part of a county here and there. They're a little more widespread, which means a little more useful rainfall out of all of this. And this isn't the only rain that we're going to get. Those scattered storms will start to turn into a few more of those storms as we head later into the evening and even into the overnight hours. Take a look, 11 o'clock. Because they're not pop-up storms, they're not relying on the daytime heating to keep them going. This is like what we see in the springtime, actual thunderstorms sustained by something else. So we'll get some of that activity through here, even into the late overnight hours. We go into our Friday, couple of pop-up storms possible across the area on our Friday, but then we go into this weekend. Here we are, Saturday, 2 a.m. Get another system bringing actual showers and thunderstorms. I mean, take a look at how all of this looks. Much needed rain, and that's not the end of it. 6 a.m. Saturday, showers, thunderstorms beginning to overspread a larger chunk of the area. And this is what we want to see. This is what we need. We need that rain. Now, as we head into Saturday, there's a very low wind risk of a strong or even low-grade severe thunderstorm. We'll keep an eye on that risk for you because I know we don't need the severe weather. We just need the rain, but it's still springtime here in the 4 states technically, and therefore occasionally we'll get some severe weather out there. So we'll keep an eye on that for you. Rain chances this evening, of course, begin to ramp up. Then we go into tomorrow, and this is what I was talking about this morning. Here's where you can tell where pop-up storm chances are, because they're hovering right around that 20% mark, but they bounce up and down. And here's where you can see meaningful rain chances where it actually hits a peak here. MoDOT camera, 20th in range line, sunshine returning. You can see some clouds out there. And our camera here at the KOAM TV studios, we got a few of those puffy clouds out there starting to take shape, which means, again, a few other thunderstorms. And we got sunny skies from the KDOT camera at 69 and 400 just south of Pittsburgh. There's another view of those clouds out there. 87 in Joplin, feels like 88, dew point 64, humidity is 46%, and a variable breeze at about 4. Over in Pittsburgh, partly cloudy, 87, feeling like 89, dew point is up there, 65, humidity at 48%. Temperatures around the area, again, 75 Stockton. Everywhere else, though, 85 Pittsburgh, 88 Chanute, 86 Chetopa, Miami, Neosho. So a very warm afternoon for us. Highs today still looking to reach right around 90 degrees, near 90 tomorrow with those pop-up storms. Mid-80s through the weekend with more thunderstorm chances. A little cooler on Monday, so we go low 80s. And then take a look at this. Thunderstorms Tuesday, Wednesday. After that, partly cloudy to wrap up next week. That says it best. Hot, hot, hot. Temperatures going low to mid-90s across the area. So it's going to get toasty pretty quick, but at least between now and then, we're getting some much-needed rainfall across the area. I
know, and we do need that rain. I was just telling you about my yard. It seems like the weeds want to grow, but the grass doesn't.
No, well, weeds can thrive in any environment. It's like cockroaches in a nuclear war. Man. Weeds will survive just about anything.
All right, thanks, Chris. Well, stick around. 'Tis the season for summer salads, and we're making a warm bacon dressing after the break.